Lo elegimos al Bicho porque fue campeón del mundo, actual campeón del mundo, es sudamericano, es una gran persona, más allá de que es un número 1 a nivel mundial, es una gran persona y en Kraft siempre nos fijamos en eso. Más allá de todo, nos interesa la gente buena madera, como decimos acá. Vamos a jugar un poco ahí con el Bicho.
Bicho is incredible. You start looking at him once he take off. You cannot take your eyes off of him playing with the water, with the sand.
Primer vuelo de prueba con el Factory Air.
The sensations that I had with the new Factory Air limited edition have been incredible. It allows me to fly really close to the ground, but at the same time I have the confidence with the engine that if I need a powerful engine, it will let me go up fast.
You must trust the engine to do that trick here close to the land at that speed. You must trust the engine, you must feel the engine.
Increíble este equipo.
The balance between power and weight with this engine is really well done. I have a really powerful engine, but at the same time it's lighter than la pareja perfecta para llevar a cabo mis vuelos de acrobacia o recreativo. Es un motor que entrega mucha confianza.
Bravo, grande.
Muy bueno.
Grande. Espectáculo.
Es una nave.
La nave, ¿no?
Sí. Pueden ir a comer un poco ahora.
The sensations that I had flying the Cosmos 300 have been incredible. It gives you a lot of confidence and zero vibrations. It's a really nice feeling. It allows me to fly close to the ground in a heavy paratrike, and I can go with a lot of confidence. I'm impressed about this engine. It's an engine that you can use to fly single in really high performance flight, or at the same time to fly in a trike with heavy loads. It's a really powerful and well-balanced weight engine. Gente nueva, amigos nuevos, aventuras que se van a realizar, proyectos, ideas, un buen recuerdo. Es parte de mi crecimiento como atleta. Voy a explorar nuevas áreas del vuelo y sé que ahora tengo el perfecto equipo para poder desarrollarlas.